सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Vidya. Today we are going to learn how to create a packaging design using Adobe Illustrator. So here I want to create a new document first. So I go for print. Here in print option I click on letter and change the unit into inches. So 8.5 into 11 inches my letter size. Right, then I press create button. So here is my letter size artboard. Then I need a ruler for guideline. I go to view menu and show ruler and drag guideline from ruler, and here x-axis, my x-axis will be 0.5 inches and then x-axis will be 8 inches and y axis will be 0.5 inches and y axis will be 10.5 inches. So here is my guideline. I use this guideline as a margin. I select all the guidelines and go to object menu and lock it. Right, so today I want to make a packaging design. Right, then I want to use mesh tool, so I use mesh tool here and change the color into something different. Fine, then I want to make a star, so here I make a star. I just click on it. My radius, first radius will be 1 inch and second will be 0.2 inch and I need 10 sides, I mean 10 points. So here, and I individually edit and manipulate the nodes, I mean anchor point, and I go to effect. I want to apply blur effect. In blur I use Gaussian blur. So look how easy look. I press OK, easy, and then drag this one to here. Then I need some images, so I go to file menu and I want to place some image. So here on desktop I download some image from internet and I just place according to my style. So here is my 3 images. Okay, I place this ball here. Now I want to write something here, so I go for text tool. I select both of them, go to type tool and bracket, I mean create outline. So it convert into shape. I go to Windows, Swatches library. In Swatches library I find gradient. In gradient there are so many predefined gradients are here and I use this gradient. Go to gradient tool and I just apply linear gradient here. Easy. So after apply linear gradient, I just need to increase the stroke and I need stroke outside of my object. So here it is. Easy. Fine, then I use pen tool. I right click, I select the text, right click on it, arrange, bring it to front, and I select all of them and press Ctrl G for group. Fine. So then after I want to make some design here, so I use a round rectangle fill color is white, stroke color is none right now. Then I make another color and I press Ctrl C, Ctrl F and select both of them, the upper one and this one, and go to Pathfinder tool and intersect this. Then I change the color into this color, right? And I just scale down this one. And here I click. So here it is, and I need a rounded rectangle here. Fine, I select all of this, press Ctrl G for group, and I place this one here, right? Then I want to make an ellipse, then Ctrl C and Ctrl F and make white color, then Ctrl C, Ctrl F, then change the color into this one. Right, I make this one and I just select this, right, and I want to send it backward using Control and open bracket, and I arrange this one according to my style, right? So here I want to arrange. So guys, if you like my design, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching.